Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be going through my GQ subscription box. Well, okay, let me clarify. This is technically my husband's subscription box, but he's always such a trooper. He really lets me open all of these up before he even gets to take a look at them. Because for me, I'm like, I'd like to show you guys what's inside of it. So, you know, it's a win-win. I open his boxes, then I put it all back together again, and then he gets to open it. So today we are opening up the GQ subscription box for winter 2024. Now this subscription is the one that is currently shipping right now. So if you guys are interested in this box, I'm going to open it up. Everything that you see today is what you're going to receive in your box. So I do have a link listed down below for you guys. And then the brand actually partnered up with me over this quarter's box to offer you guys a 50% off code. So you can try this entire box for only $29 for your first order. And there's free shipping on top of that. And based off of how this feels and the weight that's in here, I feel like that $29 is going to be a steal for this box. I could be wrong, but my early prediction is saying this is going to be a good box. So this box is a quarterly subscription and you'll receive it every 3 months. I believe the spring box usually comes out like in March sometime. So you do have a little while to order this box if you're interested in it. This one, like I said, is the winter box, so you've got some time. But this box traditionally has always been like a men's only box. But for the last year, I have felt like they've included products in there that are very unisex. I mean, they have skincare products in here that all of us can use. So even though this is geared more towards men, I do feel like everyone can use these products. Now watch, today I'm gonna open up this box and it's probably gonna make a complete fool of myself and be like, nope, this is only for men. You know, it's just how it always goes. So like I said, this is the winter box that we are opening up today. And inside you're gonna have a magazine that will tell you about all of the products, which, wow. I mean, you guys, look at this. This box is full. I have got such a good feeling about this one, you guys. Like, seriously, that many products for $29? I mean, I love steals. This one is very much so feeling like a steal. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Is this not loaded? I think this is the most items I've ever seen in the GQ box before. I mean, this looks really good. Now, if you guys do sign up as a new member, not only will you get this box for $29 for your first order and save some money, you're also going to receive a free gift included in your first box. So this is the free gift that GQ is giving to new members right now. This is from Casemate, and it is a travel organizer. This one is specifically designed for tech gadgets. So normally whenever we see organizers, we think of like beauty products, but this one is specifically designed for like all your cables, your cords, your battery packs, whatever it may be, will go inside of this kit. So it is all black. It does have a handle up here at the top. On the very front side here, we do have a zippered pocket. And then this is what it will look like on the back. Everything it has like that foamy mesh inside, so it is padded. That's the word I want to use. So it's very padded and it will help to protect your items. And then it will open up all the way and actually lay flat. So that way you will have access to all of your items. Now, one thing that I do like is that they do have these zippered compartments to keep everything in place. So that way you can use these. If you do have like a battery pack in here, you could just run the cord through these little straps to charge your phone or whatever it is, but it's going to stay inside of the pack itself. So it's a really handy little device. I mean, it's nice to keep everything organized. You know exactly where it's all at. Casemate is a really good brand too. Their products last a really long time and they make a lot of different products out there too. But this is a good brand. I don't see a price tag anywhere on this little flyer that they have here, but it does mention that it has a 1-year limited warranty on this product as well, which I don't really know what that warranty would cover. Does it cover the zippers or something? But I don't know. It does come with a warranty though. So first official item inside of the winter box, we have a beanie here. This is really thick. I can tell just by holding it. It's heavy, but it's a thick beanie. So it is definitely going to keep the hot air in. You know what I mean? Like it is going to keep the head warm. So this is what it looks like here for a pattern. Love the color. I think this is super nice. And then you can fold this up if you want to, or it can lay completely flat as well. So you have some options here with this, but it is so thick, you guys. Do you see that? I mean, it is just so snug. Even when I stretch it, I'm not seeing through the layers. Like, there's just so many layers to it. So this beanie is from a brand called Love Your Melon. I think that's hilarious. Now, inside of your box, you could receive this pattern, or they also have it in an all black option as well. You're not able to customize this box, so they are just going to be surprising you with one or the other. But I do think both of them are wearable. I mean, this one, like I said, it's just all black here. I feel like they're going to both look great on, so whichever one you get, I think are still going to be a win. Now, it does mention that this retails for $35, and it says that it's made from 100% cotton, but it will stretch, so you've got some wiggle room, which I do agree. It's enough to stretch on and off, but it's not too flimsy either. It says that every hat sold also helps to support children with pediatric cancer. So this one does give back for every one of them that is purchased. The next item that I have in here is an ice cube tray, but it's not your regular ice cube tray. So this is from a brand called Frost, and it will make 4 spheres for your ice. So they're actually not cubes, it's ice spheres is what we have here today. So this will give you a perfectly round block of ice. No, not block, sphere of ice. I gotta get that out of my head. I'm just used to always saying ice cube or ice block, but this is a sphere. Also, why is sphere so hard to say? So it is all made out of silicone, and like I said, it's gonna create a perfectly round sphere. It says that this is a seamless mold that has secure construction, so that way it will not leak or spill, but it's gonna give you a smooth finish, and it's easily going to release because it is going to be this silicone mold. So this one, like I said, is from a brand called Frost. It makes 2.5-inch size balls. And this one, if you were going to purchase it, it will retail for $12. Now it says that this will be a slow melting piece of ice. It's perfect for old fashions or other classic cocktails. The idea is that if it's a slow melt, it won't dilute your drink, but it's still gonna keep it cold. I mean, if you guys have ever had to shop for men, I feel like these are like those traditional gifts that we give guys. I mean, am I the only one or are you guys with me on this? I just feel like this is classic like guy gift when you run out of ideas and it's like, you know what, this would work, we'll do this, you know? So this definitely feels like a guy gift, but anybody can use this once again. Now this, I know my husband is going to love, you guys. So this next product that I have is the On the Rocks cooler. It is a double-walled Scotch cooler. So this is what it looks like here. This one says that it has 100% warranty on all of their products as well. And it states that it's BPA free, food safe, easy to clean, but you are not supposed to put this in the microwave because it does have stainless steel inside of it. So that kind of stands to reason. It mentions that this is a premium glass cup that's vacuum insulated and it has a rubber gasket. So the idea is that it's for whiskey lovers, and it says nothing's worse than a watered down drink. This will keep your drink chilled for hours, whether you want it on the rocks or straight, because of it going to have this double wall stainless steel. So this is what it will look like here when you pull it out. It's heavy. I mean, it's a beast, you guys. So it's got the actual glass inside of this, and this is where you're going to see that double wall down below. That rubber gasket will keep it all in place here. So it's just your traditional whiskey glass, but this is really the special part of it, is where it keeps it cold, keeps it insulated in there. So now you can make your ice spheres, throw it in the glass, and it's gonna stay cold and not diluted. Can you take this apart? You can. So easy too. I just twisted it a little bit and it comes right out. So that way you can absolutely wash this then after use. And I think, yeah, this just slides off. And then you'll be able to remove this and have just the glass cup. So at least you could throw this in the dishwasher then. I wouldn't throw the other piece in the dishwasher, but this would be nice that you can just take it apart and clean it. So if you wanted to buy this, it does retail for $30 on their website. This is the brand up here. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Is it Azobu? Also included in our box, we do have a sample set from Liquid IV. There are 3 flavor packets inside of this. And these are going to be sugar-free electrolyte drink mixes. So you're just going to pour them into a glass of water, and then it's going to have that flavor along with those electrolytes. This one is just a sample mix, but they do have a retail value of $7 for this set of 3. Ooh, we have Youth to the People in here. See, this is a great skincare brand. You can find it at Sephora, but this is what I'm talking about. This is not just for men. Like, everybody can use this. So we have their Polypeptide Future Cream. This is a moisturizer that has collagen built into it. Full-size product is what we have here. Let me look at the price tag on this. $68. See, I kind of had a feeling. As soon as I saw the brand, I was like, this is where the money's at. So $68 for this moisturizer. It's going to reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and more, but it's also going to hydrate, plump up that skin a little bit with the collagen as well. So I'll go ahead and pull this out. All of the packaging with Youth to the People can be recycled, so I've always loved that. And then they have glass jars inside that you can clean out and reuse as well. So it's kind of an awesome brand that they're very eco-conscious, but I love that there's a full-size product in here. Additionally, we have a shaving cream in here from The Art of Shaving. The scent is sandalwood. We have 75 ml, and it says that this cream will lather up with warm water, and it says that this will help you to have a close shave without irritating your skin. It also mentions that they have a few other products in their lineup for best results, but again, this will just be a universal shaving cream. The next item that I have is a deodorant stick. This one is designed for men, and it's an aluminum-free aloe and bamboo deodorant stick. So it says that this will work anywhere that you have odor. It's not just for your armpits. Oh, and the brand is Dove. I forgot to mention that. So this is a new product from Dove, but it is a full-size stick. It is cruelty-free, vegan, and also PETA verified. So man, like, I feel like they did everything with this one. Like, no aluminum, made sure it's cruelty-free, PETA got involved. I mean, like, they did a lot of work on this one. So it does mention that the very first ingredient is coconut oil, so that's primarily what is in here, but it will not have any parabens in here either, and it will treat odor all day long. And like I said, you can use it all over the body, which this could be really handy. So this one retails for $12, and it does mention that this one will be a game changer because it not only can you use it everywhere, it's also all day protection. Ooh, now this is a fancy little box. So this is Bursera? So this is what it looks like here, just a black cardboard box. On the back, it says your inner calm. Transform the way you clear energy from your space with the modern and clean design of the ceramic vessel that holds incense sticks while capturing the falling ashes. Ah! So we have an incense holder here. So this is our next official item, and this is going to be a ceramic tray. Oh, it's really in here. Aha! Well, after forever, I finally got it out of here. Now, what's interesting about this ceramic tray, they didn't glaze the entire pot. So this side is actually very textured, and it feels like terracotta. It's very rough and sandy, and honestly the texture just creeps me out, so I'm not going to touch that side, but I do think it's a cool design. So it's very artsy, like it's giving me kind of that modern look, but it's still very unisex. I feel like this could work in like anybody's home. It could be a bachelor bed, you could be married. Like, I feel like everybody could use this tray. So good size tray, you're going to put your incense sticks in here, and then as they burn, like it says, it's going to actually collect all of the ash in this tray. So this one retails for $47 if you wanted to purchase this tray. Now, not only did they send the tray, but I also discovered that they sent us the incense sticks as well. So this is from the exact same brand, and this is what I've been smelling in the box. So this is made from South American wood, and it says this is traditionally used for therapeutic, physical, or energy healing purposes. So this will help to purify the air. It's got a pleasant, woody, and enriching scent. It does smell like wood, and I think it's gonna have that really smoky scent to it when you're burning it. So inside of this pouch, we do have 5 sticks, so this should last a while. They estimated the value of the price tag to include both of these products. So for both of them, it's $47. Last up for today, we do have a perfume in here for men. This is the Spice Bomb from Viktor and Rolf. So this one is just going to be a fragrance sample. It is 1.2 ml. So it's just going to be your individual vial. I still love getting their fragrances. My husband has actually kept a few from this box that I love. And I always, every time I smell them, I'm like, oh, it smells really good. Where did you get it? And he's like, that's the GQ box. So truthfully, we have good luck with the colognes from this box. So this one, I think we're going to probably love it. I like the traditional flower bomb from Viktor and Rolf. So I'm hoping Spice Bomb, I'm hoping they're still going to be good. They don't really include a value on that perfume because it is just a sample. However, they did include a coupon code in here. So if you wanted to rebuy any of the products that I just opened up today, every single product has a discount code attached to it. So you could always rebuy and save a little bit of money. So that is everything inside of the GQ box for winter. Comment down below, you guys, and let me know, what did you think of this box today? I love this box. I thought it was really well put together. I like how many items are in this box too. I mean, I love when I can open up something and it's just packed full of products. So I first love that, but they're also really good quality products. I mean, Youth to the People, great brand. This beanie is so thick. It's perfect for wintertime. So I like that it's good quality items as well, but it's definitely things that my husband's going to use as well. So you guys comment down below, let me know what you think. But personally, I think this is one of the better GQ boxes. They're always good. I'm never upset with this box, but this one, I really like it a lot. But $29 also for all of this. So if you guys want to try it out, I've got the link down below. Make sure you enter the coupon code, and that's how you're going to save the money and get the free bonus gift as well. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!